I'm Richa Divedi. Welcome back to my channel.
In today's video we will learn about use of has and have. आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि has and have को कहाँ पर यूज़ करना होता है. So has is always followed by she, he or it. So if any sentence starts from he, she or it, then you will use has. For have is followed by I, we, they and you. One more important thing about has and has हमेशा singular things के साथ में use होता है. When you have something which is singular, then you will use has. But in case of have, it is you have to use it when you are talking about something which is plural. So इसको और ज़्यादा समझने के लिए let's see some examples. So here I have some examples. Let's start with the first one. Raju dash many friends. So Raju is a singular name. It's a name of a boy. So यहाँ पर we will use has. Raju has many friends. Next, I. As I told you, I is always followed by have. So I have many toys. I have many toys. Next is Radha. Radha is a singular name. So Radha has 10 sketch pens. Next, do you. So here you is written. So you is followed by have. Do you have extra pens? Next, a car. Here the car is one because it's written a car. So you will use has. A car has 4 wheels. Now let's see a few more examples. Sixth one is he dash a cool robot. So he is always followed by has. So he has a cool robot. I. I is always followed with have. I have a blue kite. She. She is followed by has. She has 10 dolls. They. We will use have when we are having a sentence starting from they. They have a test today. We don't dash. Now here we is written, so we'll use have. We don't have school on
I
Friday.
hope आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी और कुछ नया सीखने को मिला होगा. So आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक कीप लर्निंग. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.